Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. So in this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Elementor in WordPress. So some people have been asking question how to install Elementor Pro zip file in WordPress, how to install Elementor Pro in WordPress for free, how to install Elementor Pro in WordPress, how to install Elementor template kit in WordPress, how to install Elementor plugin in WordPress, how to install Elementor in WordPress for free. So all these are the questions I'll be receiving. So another question is how to install Elementor theme in WordPress, how to install Elementor in WordPress 2024 and 2025, how to install Elementor Pro plugin in WordPress, how to install Elementor on localhost. So this video will be a video that will answer all these questions regarding to Elementor. So it is going to be a step-by-step guide, and it's going to be a two-step guide. The first step is going to be within the WordPress dashboard, and the second step is going to be outside the WordPress dashboard. So let's go into the first step, which is what? Going through our WordPress plugin section. So the first step is just you come to the WordPress plugin, then you add new. Then once you click on add new, then all you need to do is just come to the search bar and search for Elementor. Then you search for Elementor. So you search for Elementor. Remember the first thing you do is just go to plugins. From plugin you go to and search for Elementor. Then we can see the Elementor right here. All you need to do is just click on install. Click on install. Click on install. So we are waiting for it to install. So if you have been asking all these questions regarding to how to install Elementor in WordPress, how to install Elementor Pro in WordPress for free, how to install Elementor Pro in WordPress, how to install Elementor template kit in WordPress, this video is going to answer all these questions. How to install Elementor plugin in WordPress, how to install Elementor in WordPress for free. All these questions are going to be answered in this video. So okay, now so the next one is what? Activate. So after you have installed, you do what? Activate it. So the activation is what we are doing right now. So we are doing the activation right now. So we are waiting for it to activate. Okay, it has activated. So after the activation, it will tell you that create account, which you either create account here or you connect the account you already have. But I think it's better we just skip to the end and then have our Elementor being installed for us. We skip. I'm still skipping. Each of them I will just skip. You say templates, bleed, this and that. I'm skipping. So when I come to the end, I will just do skip. So you can see all I have to do is just skip to the end. But for you, you can maybe like to create an account. You might like to create an account. So me, I don't want to create an account, so I will just cancel this. Then I already have an Elementor now fully installed. I can use any of this. So this is the first step on how to create Elementor, how to install Elementor. That is the first step. So the second step, let me exit and show you the second step. Leave. Let me show you the second step. So remember, this is the first step of how to install Elementor on your WordPress website. How to install Elementor. So what we are going to do now, we are going to remove this particular one. So we go back to plugin and remove this one we have installed. Install plugin. We are going to deactivate this plugin we have installed, which is Elementor. This is our Elementor. We deactivate it. Temporarily deactivate, submit. So let's see if they're going to deactivate it for us so that we can delete it and install within the second method. So this second method, we are going to, first of all, let me download this particular, let me go to WordPress to download Elementor. So this one now is going to be a zip file. In this particular one now is for those that are going to be using localhost, like those that ask a question like how to install Elementor on localhost, and also those that are going to be installing the premium version of Elementor. So this one is going to answer your question. So like for instance, now if I come here now and search for Elementor, then search. Then search. Then let me download this. Let me download the Elementor plugin. Let me download it so that we have it on my system. It's going to be on a zip file. So remember, I've uninstalled the Elementor from this place, so we don't have Elementor as one of the plugins again. So let me get this zip file, then we do it step by step so that you can know how you can be able to use a zip file to install Elementor. For those that are going to install Elementor on localhost, or those that are going to be installing a premium Elementor, this is the step. This second step now will help you to install Elementor on your website, or the premium version of Elementor. This one will help you to do it. So this method now I'm going to show you right now. So I'm waiting for it to just finish. Let me wait for it to just finish. The download is finishing. It's finishing right now. So okay, so we are done. So for this particular method now, I would like to I will disconnect my network and then refresh my page. So those that are going to be using XAMPP or any local hosts, this one is going to be for you. Once I click here now, add new plugin, then you can see now I don't have any plugin. No plugin is being shown up to me now. That's for those that are using a local host. There will not be, most times now, there are not going to be any plugin that will be displayed there. So all you need to do for you to have this plugin installed is just for you to do what? Upload. Then you click on select file. Then you go to your download, because you downloaded the Elementor. Now you click on the Elementor. Then you click on open. Then you click on install. So remember, this is the second method. I have shown you the first method, which we were using a live website. So this one is when you are using a XAMPP, or maybe you are using a local server, or maybe you are trying to upload a file from outside, a zip file. This is the way you are going to do it, which is the second method. So this method now solves the question of how to install Elementor on localhost. So we are going to do what? Activate. We are going to activate it right now. So we are activating it right now. Okay. So it has been activated. So let me refresh this page. So once I come here now, you can see we have Elementor installed. So let me test whether it's working. You can see I will say add new page. So once I do about us, then I will say what? Publish. Then edit with Elementor. Let's see whether it's working. So if you have been searching for how to install Elementor in WordPress, how to install Elementor Pro zip file, how to install Elementor Pro in WordPress, how to install Elementor in WordPress localhost, how to install Elementor on localhost, this video have solved the problem. So you don't need to search any longer. This video will help you to do this step by step. So I hope this video has given you value. Hope you are part of the community, you are part of those that have been able to subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye for now. Till we meet again. Peace.